but I'm punctual, and I'm definitely going to be here until 9 o'clock, at which point Deb Grant sits in for Gideon Coe. And now we go over to Studio SO3 for Honk. Hello, Honk.
Good evening.
Hello.
How are you diddling?
Not too bad, how are you?
Yeah, fine, thanks, pal, fine. And once again, I mean, you've stepped up to the mark pretty close to the day, really. It was just a couple of days ago we were talking about you coming in and playing for us, so we do appreciate it. And Dan, on vocals, would you mind introducing your bandmates and telling us what bands you've nicked them off?
Indeed. Well, going clockwise, we've got Dr. Yeehaw Culhane, Tinkling the Ivories.
Hello.
Then we've got Randy Harrison on the lap steel guitar.
Hello.
You might recognise his voice from Fruit Tones.
Yeah.
We've got the real Red Foley
Hi.
on the pots and pans.
Hello.
We've got Slipknot on the bass.
Hello.
We've got Javi Hellrat on the
Hello.
guitar, also plays in the Honey Drops. And me, Dan, aka Chip Smitten,
Right, okay.
also playing in a band called Gold Cup.
Right, fabulous. And I like bands that have nicknames.
You're in luck then.
Yeah, I am in luck. Yeah, I need a nickname before the end of the programme. But don't
We'll find one for you.
Don't you bother. Okay then, so you're going to do a song for us now. This is 147 Ways to Say Howdy.
Yes, indeed.
Fabulous, get to it. Honk, live in session. Fandabadozy, love that. That was Honk live in session for the first time tonight. That is 147 Ways to Say Howdy, and we'll be back to you in around about 20 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you in a bit.
Yeah, absolute pleasure. Okay, to the